What's up, guys? Same costume, same attire, same dialogues. Little change. So, this will be my day 3 of the vlog of my 1-month-old trip. And the day 3 was getting back to Bangalore and a small pit stop at a place. I would have put it in the. Damn, I forgot YouTube. I don't know what they call that line also. Title. I would have put it over there. Maybe yes, maybe not. So day 3, so we are checking out from that place, Namratava. Namaste Sanjeevani Resort. It was a decent stay. That washroom only was scaring the shit out of us. This is no me. So day 3 we are checking out. No Rasi for me and the swimming pool also. We didn't even look at the swimming pool after the first time we saw. The second time we didn't even see. That's all we left. We checked out from the place and we were heading back to Bangalore, but on a different route. So we tried the different route because our next pit stop was in Joke Falls. So we thought we'll give a visit to the Joke Falls also. And the way also is full ghat sections and all. And still my cravings for Maggie and chili cheese sandwich was there. But I've been wondering why this fellow is telling this so many times, because there is one that is the main important thing in this part of the video. You will see. Right now we are checking out from this place. Namaste Sanjeevani.
Bye bye.
You're going back to reality. How do you feel?
That's the worst moment ever.
Moment ever. Naalik poi work Today is the 3rd day. We are leaving Gokarna. From Gokarna we are going to Bangalore. Look at this inclination. It doesn't look like inclination on the camera. Amma. The way to Joke Falls also was nice. Like I've made as well as with the soundtrack and the cut short videos, cut part videos and jump cuts and all. But how do I express this? Oh my god. Like the way to that place was kind of nice. Like more than seeing it on the camera, witnessing in the naked eyes is nice. It gives a different feel. So I just recorded a few timeline. I don't know what's wrong with me. Timeline of this video. We'll see. It was nice. Cut sections, Dada roads, nice scenic views, nice Nel Pyres. Nel Pyre means something. On our way to Joke Falls also, it was drizzling, stopping. It was very irritating it was. So we made some plans now for our next trip now, like bring raincoats. I don't know where raincoats. Master Nelson was adding that to the list and all. Seats, trekking, beds, chairs, all those stuffs and all we were planning. Because of the rain only, what to do.
Because we travel a lot like this, why you want 3 raincoats and put off the DK? In farmhouse, those seats are there now. And Koicha seats. Those also you put it off the DK. So next time you go to the beach and all, we don't have to sit down. But that is nice feel to sit down.
நைஸ் ஃபீலு. அந்த பட்டெக்ஸ்லேருந்து மண் எடுக்கிறதுக்குள்ளே படுற அவஸ்தை.
நண்டு போயிடுச்சுன்னா என்ன சொல்கிறேன்?
டான்ஸ் தான் அங்கேயே.
Yesterday me and Ajwa were trying to climb the rock over there. Oh, one crab next to the lagoon. We don't know if it is alive or dead also.
Rain full ஜோரு. நோ ஜோக் ஃபால்ஸ்.
டியூட்டானா?
உங்களுக்கும் ஃபால்ஸ்க்கு ராசியே இல்லை.
யாரு?
அங்கே மழை இல்லை.
ஹோல் பண்ணிச்சு கிளைமேட் கொஞ்ச நேரத்துக்கு வாய் போடாது.
Welcome to world famous Jog Falls. Right top. Welcome to world famous. We are reaching Jog Falls. Master Nelson finally falls. We finally reached. Hey Maggie kudu.
Paada.
Yes. The josh after seeing Maggie over there, no? I don't know, that craving was there from past 3-4 days. Seeing that Maggie was satisfied, like heavy batting, I'll do 2-3 packets of Maggie, I'll eat. It'll be peaceful, like it's full nice satisfaction it'll be for the stomach. Like, okay, first we'll go see the falls and come back. Until we enter to the gate now, and he was irritating me a lot. See, like Basani was blowing that duplicate trumpet, but he was keeping on making that sound. Whenever I try talking to the camera, he keeps making that sound. You see that. Bus horn mari adichirukka. Wear mask, be safe. Yeah. He didn't even let me record. When I saw that fellow over there doing business, I thought I'll buy some stuff from him. That thing, the way he was irritating me, I didn't even feel like looking at him itself. I don't want. And again, beda. I was just switched off the camera, kept it inside. I was waiting until I go inside, then I started recording.
He always wearing the bag. தப்பா பண்ணுறேன்.
எனக்கு தெரியலப்பா. நீங்க நடக்கிற ஸ்டைலே பயங்கரமா இருக்கு. சத்தம் இன்னும் சத்தமா. ಪರಿಸರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೊಣೆ. ಹೊಣೆ வெயில் அடிக்குதே. அடிக்குது ஃபால்ஸ் சவுண்டு. ஜல 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 jala 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 jala. How was the fall sound? Jala 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 jala. More than me, he started cracking lame jokes. All my training only. Jala 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 jala. Oh, psych. Are you satisfied? Are you sadist? அங்கே போகணுமா? இங்கேருந்து எகிரி குச்சா அங்கே போயிடலாம். அந்த ஹைட்டாக விழுற ஃபால்ஸ் எங்கே இருந்தால் தெரியலையே. எனக்கு கன்ஃபியூசிங்காக இருக்குது எனக்கு. When we reached the falls going there, we had something in mind and we went there. We expected one thing, we went there, but we saw something. Like, all three of us were not in the mind of state that we have come to Jog Falls and we are seeing Jog Falls. Something was missing. Are we in Jog Falls only? See Google images, Jog Falls from height and all the water is falling. And this way also has one left, one right. Also I thought both the ways lead to different paths and all. No, they go like this and they come like this. We felt like a waste of time going into Jog Falls and all. Like we didn't get that satisfaction seeing Jog Falls only. I didn't care all about that. Concentration was only on one thing, Maggie. And we spent just some few minutes over there, and apparently there are 2 entries to Jog Falls also. So one the side where we were standing and the opposite side was the other entry. So maybe on that side we could have seen, I don't know. It wasn't like watching Joke Falls only. I remember going to Joke Falls, but I don't remember seeing the Joke Falls in this way. And 4 falls, no? Raja, Rani, Kalapolisa, Raja, Rani, Rover, Range Rover. Chacho, general knowledge தெரியலையே. ராஜா, ராணி, ரோவர் அண்ட் ராக்கெட். எஸ், 2 நாளாக ஆசைப்பட்டு இப்போ போய் சாப்பிட்றது தான். 2 நாளாக மேகி சாப்பிடணும்னு இருந்துச்சுல்ல, இப்போ போய் சாப்பிட்றது. மேகி 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 நான் காலத்தில் பண்ணி தரணும் தெரியல. மேகி பேல்புரி. Satisfied falls? Yeah?
और अच्छे
अच्छा why me? அவர் இங்கேருந்தே கார் ஓப்பன் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க. மிஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஒன் மோர்.
ஏய் வேண்டாம், மம்மி திட்டுவாங்க. டேக் ஸ்லோ மோஷன் வீடியோ. நான் கேஷுவலா வந்து போறேன். வீடியோ நல்லா வரணும் தான் அடி வைக்கிறேன் போறேன். இல்லை இப்போ பார்த்தா காட்சிலா மாதிரி Godzilla has flat tummy, okay. King Kong also has flat tummy.
King Kong abs இருக்குது.
அது தொப்ப abs அது
just அப்படியே நல்ல ஷேப் இருக்குது. புது King Kong பழைய King Kong இல்ல. After that amazing atrocities, not amazing, several atrocities, we went and finally my wish came true. I had Maggie, normal plain Maggie I had, egg Maggie I had, bel puri also I had. I usually filled the stomach and grabbed some loots also from that loots you see. So we wasted eating all there over like an hour or 2 I guess. After that no other job we had to head back to Bangalore. Look at our snack. Heavy loots. Okay, we are done with Joke Falls. No water in Joke Falls. The Joke Falls in சொல்லிட்டு ஏமாத்திட்டாங்களா வேற இருக்கா?
Monkey was about to scam our chips. Why, what happened?
Packets we were carrying it coming, no? It was about to scam from one fellow from there. He escaped because we are having more packets. It was trying to come. Going back to Bangalore.
We'll reach at 11:30 if we go non-stop.
420 kilometers more, 8 hours 5 minutes journey. Chalenge. Oh, this.
I'll sit in the front. Where will you sit? On Aj's lap? Ajju will sit back.
இல்லை அவர் பின்னாடி உட்கார வச்சிடலாம். நீங்கள் ஓட்டுக்கோ, நான் பக்கத்தில் உட்காந்துக்கிறேன். இதுதான் இந்த பிரிட்ஜ் தான் அது. சும்மா go to that bridge and come on. Oh, this view is sick. The other entry to Joke Falls.
Welcome to Joke Falls.
But we are not going about turn. So apparently that route leads to the other entry to the Joke Falls. That bridge from the place where we were standing and viewing the Joke Falls, from that view that bridge looked different and nice. But going on that bridge did feel anything, just like a bridge. So that was the other entry to the Joke Falls. We just wanted to go over that bridge. We went near the bridge, saw the name board, welcome to Joke Falls, took U-turn, we came back. When we were continuing our journey to Bangalore. The roads are very amazing. The person driving the car is enjoying the road. Yes, no? The expression.
I am enjoying. My car is tupping me out there.
Toughest roads leads to nice place. Smoothest terrain.
See that? On the right.
Full nell pair. Nelle. Nellike nella. You saw, no? The roads were like that only. For like few kilometers, roads were a bit bad. And as usual, those Dada Buddha roads made something to my tummy also. All egg Maggie, normal Maggie, bel puri, chiles packets and all got messed up inside. But that time it didn't affect me. And even while going back also, nice scenic views and all were there. I was trying to record and all. But you should have seen the way I was recording. Concentrating on my stomach, I didn't concentrate on the camera. See, my finger is there on the front. I tried doing some VFX effects and all, like cropping, scaling, VFX and all, but didn't work out, so I just didn't want to mess it up, so I just left it off. Just skip that part.
யாராவது ஜாஸ்தி பேசினா அந்த பின்னாடி அறவாள் தூக்கி வெட்டிடுவான்னுவான். Hey, go on. When we'll cross this and go.
இவர் எவ்வளோ தைரியமாக போகிறார் பாரு நடுவில்.
யாரு?
இவர் தான் பைக் டோட.
ஓவர்டேக் பண்ணின்னு போயின்னுக்குது காரை.
Buffalo.
Few moments later.
Get that
Which
one.
tomato is?
See which flavor that is. Mad Angles is also there.
Cake shop.
Mad Angles is there. Chakli is there down. Get whatever you want.
Pulkaje.
No, I know.
See if cool drinks is there. Get cool drinks also. Get water bottle to water.
That's it. After that, I gave up. I gave up as in I stopped vlogging. I was fully drained out. That Maggie literally ruined my stomach. So what I've learned lesson is traveling outside, no egg. Not Maggie, no egg. Then night around 11:30 we reached Bangalore. I thought that was the end of the trip also. Got back to our normal lives. And we are planning for upcoming trips also. So seeing this rain now, so you have to plan accordingly also, because rain is ruining our plans also. That's all this video. The trip is done. Trip was done a month ago. And thank you for watching this video, guys. So hopefully you like the video. Hopefully the audio is coming well, recording well. And that's it. So kindly please like, share, comment and subscribe. And I will be faithful to YouTube from now on. I will keep uploading videos constantly. And that's all. Bye guys. See you guys in the next video. Until then, this is bye from Ajay Joshua, Ajay YouTuber. Bye bye.
மறக்காம சர்ப்ரைஸ் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.